Hi, my name is Jason Doan. I'm the founder and Chief Executive Officer of RF Electronics Solution LLC. The company was founded in 2014. We started out doing consulting and contracting work with the purpose of root cause investigation. During the 2 years period, we were able to build a lab by purchasing test equipment and software programs. In addition, we work on 2 projects. One is the Class D and the Class AB audio amplifier. The other one is the 24 GHz wireless radio modules plus the baseband test setup. Both projects we completed successfully. Now we are working on an IoT project which consists of a radio module and a digital baseband platform. We have done technical research and feasibility study and find that it may be a good solution for the bus transportation and passengers alert ecosystem. Attached is the project proposal that details all the specifics. We would like to obtain funding, seed funding, where we could begin the project. With the funding, our first priority is to build a solid R&D team consisting of a firmware engineer, a hardware RF engineer, and a system and application engineer manager. We will then purchase additional test equipment, hardware and software as needed, including the evaluation kits from the ODM to begin our project. We are confident with our experience and expertise in hardware design, PCB layout, system understanding, and components evaluation, we will be able to carry out the project successfully. Please check out our website at www.rfelectronicsolution.com.